year! Welcome in 2021. My name is Kate, I'm a medical esthetician, and today we'll be looking into niacinamide, a substance that everyone is talking about, and how you can benefit from it. Starting from beginning, niacinamide is an amazing vitamin. It's a vitamin B3 that is produced by our body naturally, and it can help to restore your skin in many different ways. It can help different types of skin and also cure different disorders. And in today's video you'll definitely find something for yourself, and let's keep it short and to the point. Niacinamide is one of the most stable active ingredient in skincare. It is working very well in neutral pH, and our skin has slightly acidic pH because we have around 5.6 and neutral is 7. So that is why when we are thinking about combining niacinamide with acids, this will not be, or vitamin C, it's not the best combination because they require much lower pH to work stronger and deeper. So try to not connect those two ingredients together in one of the routines. So you should separate them in the morning or evening skincare routine. So as you know now, this is very stable ingredient, so that is why it's quite widely used, and also it's interacting very well with other skincare actives. It's easy to stabilize it with many different forms of skincare, in foams, in creams, in serums. The best, according to research, performance is actually around from 3 to 6%. You don't need to have 10% as is, for example, in very famous serums in, for example, The Ordinary. So even a slight amount of niacinamide in skincare will create much better performance of the product. So in this case, less is more. The higher concentration of this ingredient might cause irritation, and this is something we of course want to avoid. It's water soluble, so it will not work well with a skincare product that will be connected with oil texture. So oil serums, face oils, and also oil cleansers will not tolerate niacinamide very well. The most important is for who it is, and this is for all skin types. Niacinamide is great for sensitive skin, oil skin, mixed skin, acne-prone skin, dehydrated skin, aging skin. It helps to fight acne, photopigmentation, melasma. It really is effective on many different disorders. You have to remember about it that it starts working after 12 weeks. You should at least try it for around 3 months to see the effects of niacinamide. It goes to our oil glands, it goes to our pores, and penetrates the skin in a very non-irritative way. It helps to close the pores, shrinks the pores. It helps with treating acne very much. It supports reduction of redness. It supports all the healing process of skin. It helps restoring new cells in the skin cell production in our epidermis and also in our dermis. It has massive impact on how can our skin look like. And remember that this is vitamin. In higher concentration, of course, it might create irritation, but you should not be afraid of niacinamide in any way. You can use niacinamide all over your face, but you can also use it just on the spots, in the point. It will really help to heal the spot and also calm the redness, as I said, and also support creation of new cells much faster and in a much constructive way. You have so many serums on the market right now with niacinamide. You have also a lot of cleansers and creams with niacinamide, so there is definitely a room for you to explore this ingredient. There are plenty of companies like The Ordinary, Paula's Choice, Glossier, Good Molecules, Inkilis, Drunk Elephant. There are just so many of those companies, and you will definitely find something for yourself. I highly recommend this ingredient. If you learned something today, give it a thumb up, and if you want to explore skincare and want to learn about the ingredients, you can subscribe to the channel. Why not? Thank you for today, and see you in the next video. Bye!